Nut Oats. What's up, everyone? It's yours truly, with Lifestyle Healthy Living. This breakfast is under 5 minutes to prepare. Start with preparing a bowl of oats or quick oats. Just follow the instructions on the oats container to prepare the oats. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup during the cooking time of preparing the oats. After your oats are done, make a bowl like this. And now we can add the walnuts and banana to the oats. And that's it. Please enjoy. Also, you can find more recipes like this in my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, on Amazon and Apple Books. Just visit lhlclub.com or the links in the description. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thank you.